two of them. There it is in pieces. Lunchtime. They're taking a break. They're doing a great job extending this driveway, widening it, and then getting ready for the rebar, and then eventually the concrete to extend the driveway area. And at the same time, tightening up the retaining wall. We had to take out a beautiful palm.
How you want to bring the ropes? The wood drives in the back. How many yards?
That's what I was looking at.
We were able to save these two small palms.
You know what, we may do 3 yards, and then I'll put some down here.
I was thinking you want to put a plant there.
I don't want nothing that has to be taken care of.
Huh? See? We have the finished product, which is absolutely beautiful. So of course you can see here the original driveway. And then you look behind the caution tape, landscaped it. We're able to save a couple of the palms. We did lose one though. Landscaped it beautifully. Retaining wall, black rock, gorgeous. And then of course we have the poles down there to protect the house. We're gonna add a couple more. And let's just come down the driveway. Beautiful job on that. If you remember, there was a huge hill here. So we still have a hill, but they were able to gradually slope it. And you'll be able to get a few more cars in here. Because remember, this is a duplex and then a couple ADUs, so. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for watching the Blended Love Journey. We'll see you soon.